Not spreading the news. I'm smoking today. I wanna wake up in a city where I can smoke nicotine anywhere and not obey smoking laws. If I can smoke it there, I'll smoke it anywhere. It's up to you. New York's. Wow. I'm so glad I discovered Smoker's Paradise. New York City. Where anyone can smoke anywhere, anytime, for any reason with anyone. I'm so glad I left my old town for New York City, where I can smoke cigarettes all day, every day, anywhere I want. It's amazing. This post was brought to you by climate change, which enabled me to wear shorts on the upper mid-Atlantic East Coast in the beginning of October. You gotta love those gas guzzlers who are causing crazy planetary havoc. So stupid. Oh well. Nature finds a way.